In medical device product development, regulatory strategy is not a box you check at the end. It's a core design driver that shapes your requirements, your test plan, your documentation, and your overall probability of success. Companies lose years and millions of dollars because they engineer a product that cannot meet the evidence burden of the pathway they actually need. Before you build prototypes or lock architecture, define your intended use with precision, what the device does, who it is for, and the clinical scenario where it operates. Intended use drives risk class, and risk class determines whether your submission is a 510K, a de novo, or a PMA. If you have a legitimate predicate, a 510K is typically the fastest route, but only if you can prove substantial equivalence in indications, technology, and performance. If no predicate exists, or if your device presents a new risk profile, a de novo pathway may be required, and if the device can directly cause significant patient harm without strong evidence, you're looking at PMA, the most demanding pathway, requiring rigorous clinical data and deep verification and validation. For Europe, EU MDR is not simply CE with more paperwork. It redefines the bar for clinical evidence, post-market surveillance, supplier and manufacturing controls, usability engineering, and alignment between risk management, benefit, and claims. Devices that sailed through under MDD often fail under MDR because the evidence doesn't support the intended use or lifecycle safety requirements. You must understand your classification rules early because MDR can shift your testing burden, clinical evaluation strategy, and notified body expectations dramatically. If you engineer a device that doesn't match the regulatory evidence burden, you will pay for it. You'll redesign hardware, rewrite software, retest usability, fail biocompatibility, or conduct unplanned clinical studies. These delays are expensive not only in budget but in investor confidence and market timing. At Concise Engineering, we choose the regulatory pathway early, map evidence requirements directly into design controls, and build submission-ready documentation throughout development, including risk management under ISO 14971, design inputs and outputs, verification matrices, clinical justification, and traceability. When regulatory strategy guides engineering, your path to approval becomes predictable instead of painful. If you want your device approved efficiently, let's plan the route before taking another step.